Here we are at the Royalton White Sands in Montego Bay. This is a Diamond Club family suite. So we have a full-size king bed, a nice sitting area, balcony, TV. We've got room service, plug-ins, everything you need. Behind me, drawers, mini bars in here. I believe we have, yes, red stripe, pop, and water. Perfect. In the kids' room, there's 2 bunk beds, good size. They have a full closet. They've got closet, safe, drawers, and they also have their own TV. They've got their own balcony. They've got their own steps to get up to that second bunk, which is perfect. Now, let's head back in and have a look at the bathroom. I'm gonna head in and have a look at the bathroom. Here's the sitting area again, king size bed, very nice decor. Let's have a look at the bathroom. This bathroom is massive. Okay, double sinks, lots of amenities, scale. I love that for weighing your luggage on the way home. Absolutely wonderful idea. Lots of towels. Another closet. And down here, nice jacuzzi tub. And on this side, nice shower. And there you have it. Diamond Club Family Suite, Royalton White Sands. Stay tuned for more photos of the property in the morning.